Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Hamster Kombat Airdrop. Now Hamster Kombat Airdrop would be on the Ton network, and this should be a decent airdrop because to be honest they have a lot of followings on social handles. On Telegram itself they have more than 50 million plus followers. Now in order to farm this airdrop you will need to play this Hamster Kombat game, which I will be showing in the later part of the video. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. And for crypto content in Hindi language, you can subscribe to my another channel, Altcoin India Hindi. All the links in the description. Now if we talk about the coins on the Ton network over here, as you can see, there are a lot of them now, and most of them have been airdropped to the community. And I personally feel that Hamster Kombat has the potential to maybe get close to Notcoin or maybe overtake Notcoin, and this should be a massive airdrop. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. Now, in order to play this Hamster Kombat game, you have to have a Telegram on your mobile. Now, if you don't have Telegram, you can go ahead and download it from maybe Play Store or App Store, depending on whether you use Android or iOS device. Now, this is the official link in order to go ahead and download this Telegram bot over here. And all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Or alternatively, you can go to their website over here. And as you can see, there is this play button now. Now once you click on this play now over here, it will redirect you to download the Hamster Kombat bot on your Telegram. Now please note that I tried playing this on the computer and it's not possible for me to play on my iOS device right now, but I have already downloaded it in my mobile phone, which I will be showing you now. Now you can use my sign up referral link for Hamster Kombat as it really helps my channel. And once you have downloaded Telegram and also Hamster Kombat bot on your mobile phone, the first thing that you can do is basically, if you go ahead and check in the bottom over here, as you can see there is this play button. Now you can either use this play button or maybe you can use this command /start. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and click on this play in one click over here, and the Hamster Kombat bot will open on your mobile phone. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to airdrop over here and click on it. And the first thing that you can do is you can go ahead and connect your Ton wallet. Now in this case I am using BitGet wallet because I personally use BitGet wallet a lot and it has a Ton network support. So if you have BitGet wallet, you can go ahead and connect your BitGet wallet over here. Or alternatively, you can use some other Ton network wallet as well. Now once you do that, once you connect your Ton network wallet, you will need to go ahead and select the exchange. Now as you can see, in my case I have already selected this Bybit exchange over here. So you have the option of Bybit, then there is BitGet, and then there is also KuCoin. Now there might be few other exchanges which I will need to go ahead and check later. So once you do that, all you can do is basically if you go ahead and click on earn over here. So these are some of the simple tasks that you can complete in order to get some additional gold over here. So as you can see, if you invite more friends, you will be getting like a few gold over here. Then you can go ahead and choose your exchange, which I have already selected, which is Bybit. And then you can go ahead and follow them on Twitter and join their Telegram, and they have this daily reward of like around 6.6 million plus over here. And you can also go ahead and watch their couple of YouTube videos which will give you some additional gold. Now if you go in the friend section over here, as you can see, for every friend you invite you get like 5,000 gold over here. And if you invite a friend with a premium Telegram, you will be getting like 25,000 gold. Now all you can do is basically once you click on mine over here, as you can see they have this options over here of PR and team, then there is markets, legals and special. Now we'll get back to this in some time. So all you can do is basically you can click on this exchange button over here, and over here as you can see there are these three options of daily rewards, daily cipher and daily combo over here. So simply keep tapping on this animal over here, and as you can see this keeps increasing your gold. Now what alternatively you can do is basically you can download a clicker bot from your app store or play store, and it would be easy for you guys to go ahead and click this instead of doing it manually, because manually it might pain your fingers. And as you can see there is this limit of 1500 over here. And also then there is something called as daily decipher or daily cipher over here, where you can go ahead and click and earn some additional gold. Now if we talk about the daily combos over here, This is basically the mine function. Now as you can see, for mine function there would be passive rewards over here. Since I've just started farming this airdrop, as you can see on the top there is this profit per hour. Now by increasing the level of CEO, marketing, IT team and rest of the things, you can actually increase your passive income over here. Now there is a limit of daily combo of up to 5 million gold, which you can earn it daily. Now the main thing that you can do is you can keep collecting as much gold as possible, and I think this gold would be directly related with the amount of airdrop that you receive for Hamster Compact. So I personally feel that this should be a potential airdrop once again, and I hope you guys can go ahead and farm this airdrop. And this is all for this video with regards to Hamster Compact airdrop farming. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.